got a payment link update. Now, custom terms and conditions are also available within payment links. This feature is going to allow you to add custom terms and conditions to your payment links, ensuring that your clients are fully informed before making a purchase. Obviously, there are a lot of benefits when it comes to this. First, it's going to enhance trust because you're going to be able to define and put forward those terms and conditions in advance prior to the purchase. It's also going to increase flexibility for you and your business because you can customize those terms and conditions for each transaction with your clients. And it's going to improve compliance. This is important because now all parties are aware and they will have agreed to your terms prior to the purchase, enhancing all of that legal compliance we need to take care of. When you create a payment link for your online course, you can include your refund policy as well as your terms of service, ensuring that all of your clients are aware of the conditions before enrolling. Let me show you exactly where to customize this feature. First, we need to create a new payment link or we need to edit one. To do that, because this is a payments feature, you do need to be under the Payments tab in the main navigation. In the upper navigation, I'm going to have you go to Payment Links, and you're either going to create a new payment link or you're going to edit one. Now, once you're in there, you're going to check Add Terms and Conditions. That's going to give you the option to customize that fully. Now, go ahead and highlight and add a link if you'd like to send them to your main terms and conditions page. And now go ahead and add that custom link and simply save. Now you're going to see those terms and conditions with any hyperlinks you may have added, and this is what it's going to look like when that payment link is received by your customer. Adding custom terms and conditions to payment links enhances trust, flexibility, and compliance for your business transactions. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.